Bali tatandaan po ninyo, nang unang ilalagay natin ay yung product details. Pagkatapos ng product details, personal story. Make sure yung product details natin para sa Clicknomics at yung personal story dapat Clicknomics inspired din siya. Bago natin ilagay yung ating personal story details, ilagay natin, this is my personal story. Please analyze and comprehend the details. And then, saka natin siya i-paste. Pagkatapos ng personal story, magma-market research tayo. Click lang natin tong Facebook Ads formula and then yung first prompt. Pagkatapos natin mag-market research, ito na yung susunod na prompt natin. Kung mapansin natin, meron siyang mga suggestion. So, lagi natin ilalagay pag meron siyang suggestion, consider implementing your suggestions. I-refine ngayon natin yung ginawa niyang structure ng video content script. Copy lang natin itong pangalawa. Then next, kung mapapansin niyo meron siyang additional tips. Lagay natin dito, consider okay, naghang siya. Okay, so bali ito na yung finalized content structure. Dynamic and intriguing statement, relate points, this solution, storytelling, educational value, call to action. And then, ito na yung content topics niya for 30 days. Content calendar for 30 days. Day 1, day 2, day 3. Okay. Meron na naman siyang suggestions dito. Consider implementing your suggestions. After niya ma-finalize yung 30 days content copy, including yung refinements and suggestions niya with tips, lagay natin. After niya magawa yung 30-day content topic, ilagay na natin yung prompt para isulat niya na yung para sa day 1. Since meron na naman siyang suggestion, implement the visual suggestions. Katapos niya ma-finalize yung day 1, proceed with day 2. And so on and so forth. Bali ngayon, ang gagawin ko muna ngayon, isushoot ko, ay yung day 1. So yun lang partners. Thank you so much.